Hello guys, Funny My Sunny here. I'm sorry I wasn't doing a video. It's been a chaotic day, week, I should say. On Valentine's Day I will do a video. I'm out of breath because I went downstairs, I went upstairs, I went downstairs quickly, upstairs quickly, like running. I came in the room, closed the door, jumped on the bed, and I just started a video. So, yeah. Oops. I was supposed to, actually, I have a surprise for you guys. Let me just log out. Can't wait for you guys to see it. And did this change? Oh no, it did not. So next video, I have a surprise for you. So, bye!